Hello everyone and welcome. Today's video is the part 2 of our redevelopment project in Spintex. If you haven't watched part 1, please do. As always, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. If you have any comments and suggestions, do well to leave them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to respond to them. We ended our previous video once installation of our roof was completed. With the roof done, work on plastering has begun. We first started with the internal plastering and worked our way out to the exterior. Chiseling work for the AC pipes is also ongoing. The chiseled area is where all our AC pipes will go. Plastering is now complete. Our garage door has now been installed, along with the main security door for the entrance. Plasterboard ceilings and insulation material have now been dropped on site. This means we can now begin installation of our ceilings. Insulation material is being installed. The material used here is non-combustible, so you don't have to worry about it catching fire. Most of the ceilings are done, so we can now move on to the next phase. Some of our windows have been installed. For the front, we use casement windows instead of your regular sliding windows. Tile work has now started. We started with the living room and worked our way to the bedrooms. For the garage, we decided to use terrazzo for the floor. It provides more traction for cars than tiles. Skimming work is well underway. The living room, corridor, bedrooms and garage have all been skimmed. All our windows are now going to be installed. They are bringing in the frames, nets and glasses. All our windows have now been installed. Our doors and door frames have also been installed. Tile work for our kitchen walls have also been completed. Once our units come in, most of the work here will be done. With this, we have now come to the end of today's video. As of the day of recording, work on the fence wall had just started. In the next video, we will cover the remainder of the finishing works and do some landscaping. Until next time, cheers.